20 some kilometers. This was Linda's idea. Linda, do you regret your decision?
No, yet. Maybe I will. In the next 5 minutes.
25 kilometers, 1,100 meters of elevation. We're gonna camp at least one night. See this beautiful lake, take in this beautiful place on Vancouver Island. This is the hardest hike Linda's ever done, and probably one of the hardest I've ever done. Might suffer, we might die.
Yeah, but this is maybe our last video.
How do you feel about walking 20 some K with your bag?
I'm confident. No, this is
Yeah, the tent, all the food.
What if we said
my boyfriend is willing to just carry all
We just started 25 kilometers.
Yeah, this is gonna be crazy. I'm sure.
we were made for all of this? You alone, my confidence. Ready for it all. This is who we are. This is where it starts.
Linda and I made it. 1,100 meters. Landslide lake.
So beautiful.
The rush of the unknown, awakening these untamed hearts, reaching out beyond our hesitations, knowing how we've come so far. The veil is getting thin.
This is before 50-40 peak.
We're happy.
We're like, yeah, cheers hiking, cheers hiking. So it's 7K, 1K up. We're gonna die. And how do you feel?
Not happy anymore.
So good.
We were made for all of this.
Landslide, you can do
You
it's 24.
ready for it all. This is who we are, and this is where it starts. This is where it starts. This is where it starts. This is where it
So it's the end of 6 weeks on the road. We're just having our last dinner in Canmore. What a trip.
We didn't want this to come to an end, but now that it's here, we're just trying to enjoy it the best we can.
This is
We're
who
grateful,
we
thankful
are.
for this beautiful
This is
experience.
where
It's
it
been.
starts.
We made it back. Phew. We almost didn't survive.
It was so hard to get here. We thought it was gonna be easy.
It was one of the hardest things we've ever done.
I really don't understand how people can do this in one day. One day.
It took us 8 hours to just go up.
Yeah, and
That's moving time. Then you want to stay at the lake for like 5 hours.
5 hours.
Do it in one night or two. Do it in two.
2 nights.
This is what you do. First day, wake up early. Easy day to your first campsite. Sorry, to the second campsite.
First. No.
No, second. Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, first campsite.
First.
And then you don't have to carry your bag the whole way. So you're light. You're like, yeah, I'm light. Second day. Biggest day. You got 2 lakes to go to. You got Landslide. And then you got Berg Lake. So So you want to go to Berg and the other one, and then hike back to the first campsite. So like, it's a big day. But you know you're gonna sleep at the camp, so go hard. And then sleep at the camp, and then 7.5K out the next morning.